Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock the top panel buttons in your JBL Partybox On The Go 2. This option is actually kinda useful when you want to throw a party outside and there are some kids that are interrupting the party. And I mean, yes, you can't bypass this lock by just rebooting the device, I know, but to simply lock the buttons, lock the top panel, you need to here scroll down in application called the JBL Partybox and tap product settings. Here the fifth option is lock top panel. When enabled, all buttons and knobs will be locked except the power button. Auto unlocks after reboot. Disable this option by just tapping on the switch. Goodbye.